Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have Python or Anaconda. Now act. Open the folder where your notebooks will live and launch a terminal there. Create or activate a virtual environment so packages stay isolated. Once done, install Jupyter with pip install Jupyter or conda install Jupyter if using Anaconda. This ensures you get the notebook server and proper kernels. Make sure the terminal shows the chosen env name, because the notebook will inherit that Python and installed packages. Now start the server by running Jupyter Notebook or Python M Notebook in that terminal. This spins up a local HTTP server. The command prints a URL like http://127.0.0.1.8888/ with a token. Open it in your default browser or paste it if the browser doesn't launch. Once the file browser appears, click an existing IPENB or choose New Right Arrow Python 3 to create one. Finish by running cells with Shift plus Enter and saving changes frequently. This prevents data loss. If a kernel dies or becomes unresponsive, restart it from kernel right arrow restart and clear output so you keep the same session state where possible. If your browser won't connect, make sure the terminal server is still running and check firewall settings. Alternatively, start with Jupyter Notebook no browser port equals 8889 and copy the token URL into the browser. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves common connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.